Hello and welcome back to It's Pouring Paint. Got my daughter here, Jordan, and mine's Cynthia. She's just going to do up a little tea light. We've been busy today. I don't know if you've seen our other videos, but we've been doing some crazy stuff. But here she goes with another little tea light. This is metallic white from, Artist Loft. And all we're using, or she's using, all metallics today. Oh, that's the 24 karat gold Art Deco 24 karat gold. Look at that shine, guys. Oh, it's just beautiful. This is the rose gold from Art Deco. It also is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Can't see the white anymore. It's just helping it flow down. This is the berry from Deco Art. And oh, just look at all of that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it is so beautiful. Oh, it's going to be covered fine. Here she goes. Look at that. Wow. It took out all the other colors. See, I only have the berry and the white over here. I don't know how
wanted
it's
to go
looking.
ahead and add a little bit more.
Sure.
Because this was the main color that I wanted.
Oh, the rose gold. Look at that shimmer.
Alright, now I'm just going to go ahead and spread this. Oh.
Lovely.
You get a little bit of that going.
Yeah, you might have to layer this actually. Just keep putting little bits on so they come down at different periods.
Yeah.
Because that's beautiful once again. But I do not see any berry now. Jer's like, come on, berry. Little bits of berry. Oh, that's sweet. There you go, 24 karat gold. Look at that shimmery top. It's telling you, I'm the beast. The beast. The beast of the gold. Alright. Jordan's just helping that sucker down. Here you go. Let's go down. Oh, but you're getting some nice ribbing in here. It's lovely. Lovely.
I'm doing this more so to kind of blend it in a bit more so that it's not just one thick coat over top.
Right. Look at that. Little bit of gold there. And this looks almost flamish over here. That looks great. I love that berry color.
Side.
I'm gonna come over. Oh, look at that rose gold in there. That looks great. Beautiful. Watch
This has more of a calming side, whereas this one has more intensity towards it.
Right. I'm wondering how they're gonna dry.
It's almost like when you can pick your type of mood when you settle down for the night.
Right.
And light your tea light.
Psychedelic. Nice and calming.
Edgy,
one side
calm.
and edgy on the other. Well, you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. We've had a wonderful time. Say hi to Callie. She's such a pretty puppy. And she loves coming down here and putting her fur into our artwork. Anyhow, have a great day. Be good to yourself. Be good to others. Bye.